Hello everyone, I'm not officially back yet, but I need to upload some outstanding videos. I will be making some changes to my channel soon. When I'm officially back, you will know. Enjoy. Love ya. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim Rachel here with another wig review. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining. On this channel, you'll see a whole bunch of videos. You'll see wig reviews, lots of wig reviews because I love wigs. You'll see nail videos. You'll see natural hair videos, fitness, clothing hauls, glasses videos, family vlogs. So this channel is more of a lifestyle channel, and I do have playlists for all those different things, so make sure you check out those playlists so you can see all the other stuff that I do on this channel. So welcome if you're here. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button and then you hit the bell, then you see. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, so sometimes these reviews don't go as planned, but most people will only show the good parts. Well, today I'm showing you some of the bad parts, as you will see in this video, #fail. Stay tuned for part 2. Alright, so today reviewing a wig from ilikehair.com, and first starting off with some of the goodies that they included. So you've got the edge brush, you've got some clips here, also a pair of tweezers, and this is a satin shower cap. I usually like to wear the satin side on my hair, so I turn it inside out. A comb, and now looking at the wig. So it is an Ipart Kinky Curly. Got some clips on the inside here, and then you've got that elastic to make it glueless. And then you've got some combs and the adjustable straps as well. And that's a closer look at that elastic there, and a closer look at the clips. Okay, so I look crazy, but I went ahead and I pulled out some of my hair on either side so that I could cover up the tracks. There is a way that you can wear it without pulling any hair out at all, but I find that I prefer covering it with a little bit of hair just to make it blend easier. So as you can see here, they've made it so that it's called an Ipart. So they've made it so that the track doesn't show. I'm too close, there we go. So it makes it easier, but I find that I've watched some videos of people reviewing U-parts and I-parts and V-part wigs, and it looks very unnatural when you just have the hair slicked down and then you put the comb on top. You just kind of see this hump, so you have to like tease the hair a little bit to cover it. But my preference would be to just have my own hair covering it, and I've got some gel here, guys. I'm going to put the back comb in first, and then I'm going to put see, I've put it in to my hair right here, snap it closed. And same thing on this side, snap it closed. And then we've got my hair here that I'm going to cover. Please excuse, I have gel in my hair, guys, so I'm gonna have to blend it in. So this is what the hair looks like. Isn't going so well. I may have to wet my own hair just a little bit. Maybe I've got too much hair out, but we're gonna make it work. And excuse the color here. I was reviewing other wigs and I had lace tint spray, and I didn't let it dry before I put it on, so you can see some of that here. But yeah, so let's wet it a little bit and let's get that to blend. So I'm just wetting my hair just to get it to coil up a little bit, and maybe that'll help it to blend in some more. Okay, so my hair is starting to coil up a little bit. This hair is very beautiful. I love how natural it looks. My hair is starting to coil up now. I think my hair is too coily. It is too coily. See, my hair is very, very coily. Right here. And right here. Okay. And then let's bring this part down. Okay. It's not working out the way I wanted it to work out.